put something out there that's gonna be magnetic and attractive and open doors and open opportunity. Because when you feel good, the world will feel that. What is up? Your favorite weight loss coach is back at it again. I'm Coach Maddie, and today I'm going to talk about the habits that you can implement today to make you healthier and happier. Now, the first habit I want to share with you is a game changer, and it sounds so silly and so minor, but you can do this today or tomorrow, and it will absolutely start to build you into this powerful woman you've always wanted to become, or you've always envisioned yourself becoming. And that is not pressing the snooze button. I know, it's super hard. I'm with you. I fail at it sometimes too. It's really, really hard, but do not hit the snooze button. That is the very first action you do in your day. You are setting the tone for how the rest of the day is gonna go, how your attitude is through the rest of the day, and how you're gonna be perceiving and viewing the rest of the day. If the first thing you do when you wake up is hit the snooze button, you're saying, I'm not excited for my day, I'm not inspired to get going, and I'm just gonna wait. And that is just not a recipe for a good life. Waiting for things, not being inspired, not being a woman of your word. If the night before you set your alarm, be a woman of your word and follow through and get up when you said you were gonna get up. One of the biggest struggles that I see women have is that they have a weak follow-through muscle. That's what we call it, weak follow-through muscle. You can get started, but you can't keep going. And you have to strengthen your follow-through muscle if you want to keep going on a journey and stopping short. And so not pressing the snooze button is making you a woman of your word, right? Because as much as we want to believe we're women of our word, and as much as we have integrity and respect and all of those good things, if you look at your actions, you're probably not always a woman of your word, right? Did you before you went to that party, did you say, I'm not going to eat that piece of cake? And then you had the piece of cake, right? Was there a point in time where you said, I'm going to get my workout in today, and you didn't get your workout in? So in your weight loss journey, you have not been a woman of your word in some areas. So if we struggle with that, the easiest way to start becoming a woman of our word, having better willpower, having better follow through, is the first action we do in our day. And that is waking up when our alarm goes off and starting your day like you mean it, because you are a woman of your word, and that is the easiest way to practice it. And even if you snooze just 5 minutes, put your alarm the 5 minutes later, right? You have to learn to say what you're gonna do and then do what you said you were gonna do, even when the mood that you made the decision in has gone. Even though you're tired, you regret the decision. That is what this journey is about. Making sure that we can do things we don't wanna do sometimes, because we're not gonna wanna always be losing weight. Like, that cake looks really good. I'm too tired to work out. Like, there's going to be these obstacles and these temptations. And if we can't resist the smallest one, which is the snooze button, you have no chance with the bigger ones. So think micro, start with the first action of the day, strengthen your follow-through muscle, be a woman of your word by waking up when you said you would. And let me tell you, the character that builds is exponential. It just grows so many awesome traits and behaviors from that just one adjustment. So give it a try, and give it a try continuously. Don't just do it one day and then stop. It takes practice. Now, habit number 2 I want to share with you. This one really excites me because I didn't realize this until over a decade into my weight loss journey, and it is dressing nice. Like, dress nice, treat yourself, treat your body with respect, pretend like you care about your appearance sometimes. And I know this is difficult because if you're uncomfortable in your body right now, or you still want to see changes, we often hide our body. We don't want to show it off. We don't feel comfortable or confident, so why would I even bother dressing up? But let me tell you, when I started actually putting effort into my appearance, just a little bit, just a little effort, where I wasn't wearing stretchy pants, where I wasn't wearing a baggy shirt, or going to Walmart with boots and stains on my shirt, when I put effort into my appearance, I walked differently, I talked differently, and people treated me different. And that cycle of energy in myself and from the world just grew me, grew my confidence, accelerated my results. And I think it was really, really one of the missing puzzle pieces as to why I was stuck for so long. Because unfortunately, the world does judge a book by its cover. As much as we wish it didn't, that's unfortunately just a reality. So play the game. If the world judges a book by its cover, give the world a great cover to look at. Give them a cover because your coworkers are judging you, your family members are judging you, the strangers on the street are judging you. You ever been in a public place and have someone stare at you because they're just judging the way that you look, right? Like that's what the world and that's what people do. And that's okay. You can use that to your advantage. Put something out there that's gonna be magnetic and attractive and open doors and open opportunity. Because when you feel good, the world will feel that. And when the world responds to you well, you feel that. And it's back and forth energy. And you build up respect, you build up momentum, you build up confidence from yourself. You walk into a room. You know what? You ever dressed up really nice and you just felt like the shit? You just felt so cute and hot and you walked into the room and you're like, yeah, I know I look good. You can look. You ever have that feeling? It is the best feeling. It is like unbridled, pure, raw confidence. Like, look at me. I feel so good. I'm so proud. I'm so confident. And it starts with maybe not necessarily feeling that, but trying to go after that. It doesn't start with, I'm gonna wait till I feel that to do those things. You have to start to create and foster that feeling right now. So dress to impress. Right? The way that we dress, you can look at it as like your superhero costume. When you dress well, it gives you superpowers. It really, really does. And you are missing out on the advantages of those superpowers by hiding from your body or by not enjoying getting dressed. And you don't have to love it. You can still have your bad days and you can still have your frumpy days. That's not what I'm saying. What I'm saying is enjoy getting dressed. Enjoy building out a new style. Enjoy walking into a room with your head held high, knowing people are looking at you for the right reasons. It's so important, right? Work on your superhero costume. It really does make a difference, and it will make you tackle your day, and it sets the tone for your day. And now, I'm not saying spend hours and hours on your appearance, because listen, I am the queen of minimalism. I don't even brush my hair. I definitely don't curl it or straighten it. I don't wear any makeup. I keep the same earrings in for months at a time. I'm just very, very simple. But a nice put together outfit is sometimes all that it takes to put your confidence, your appearance, and how you walk through the world to the next level. And that's what you want. You want more opportunities. Maybe you want to be more confident and take more risks or be perceived differently or get more respect. And it really starts with the package, because the package is really a reflection of how you feel about yourself. And even if that inside is not feeling super great, then we can reverse engineer it and start with the package, and then maybe that can start healing the inside. Next habit is the best habit in the world, and if everybody did this, the world will be a much better place, and that is compliment every single person you talk to every single day. Now, I don't mean just generic, you look good, you're so this, like one genuine compliment can change somebody's life, or at least make their day. And in the Fit Queen community, we call this spreading glow. GLOW. Generosity, love, optimism, and wisdom. So every person you speak to, everywhere that you go, you are the light in the room. You are bringing sunshine and positivity and encouragement with you. Got a little itch there. And this is so important because what you put out into the universe is what you get back. It's your cosmic karma. And not only do you get it back, but you get it back tenfold, like really, really a lot. So give people genuine compliments. And it doesn't have to be over the top, and you don't have to force it. Give that person what you think that they want to hear, right? Oh, your eyes are beautiful. Oh, did you change your hair? Oh my goodness, I love how you're so hardworking. Good for you. Or, you speak so eloquently. Like, get creative with your compliments, and it feels so good to make other people feel so good. And you can't help but smile and feel better about yourself knowing that you make other people feel good, and it comes back to you. And it almost makes sure that you protect by being positive, it makes sure that you protect your positive energy as well. So you're less likely to be drained. You're less likely to be a negative Nelly, a Debbie Downer. You're less likely to make bad decisions or be weak to temptations because you kind of strengthen this positivity bubble around you. It really is an underestimated thing to do, and it's just kindness. Like, be kind. That's what I'm telling you. Spread glow no matter what. We call it building up your weight loss karma. Build it up. Build the momentum. That's what the universe wants you to do. Build up that momentum. It will come back to you. And it's basically a win-win situation here. It's like the ultimate win-win situation. By being good to others, goodness will come back to you. How awesome is that? So the last habit I want to share with you is just a quick little practical habit that I think will really just save you time throughout your week and make things easier for you to do. And that is when you come home from grocery shopping, all right, we all grocery shop, you pull into the driveway, we try to get all the bags all at once in one trip, right? Hell no, I'm not going back out. 2 trips, no way. It's like a competition. When you're bringing everything all in, that is when you would start your meal prep. I wish someone told me this, because then in my mind I was like, okay, I have a grocery shopping day and I have a meal prepping day, and it's a lot of extra work. It's spread over 2 days. You got to put things away, grab things back out, then put things back. It's just a lot of work. If you do everything all at once, it's going to seem less overwhelming. It's totally more doable because you're not taking things out a million different times. And it's just a natural flow of when the food comes into the house. You meal prep, so you're just, you're washing things, you're cutting things, you're storing things, and then maybe you're cooking things as well. But make your food appealing, okay? You will not make a healthy decision if the healthy decision is not appealing. And if you are weak and tired, you will make a bad decision, right? If there's freaking nasty junk food everywhere, you're always gonna be exposed to it and you're gonna see it, and because you see it, you want it. But if you have things prepped and ready and readily available in the fridge, and they're nicely organized and it's in clear containers and they're eye level, you're more likely gonna go for that than at the end of the day be tired and say, let's just order in. If your food's appealing, you will eat it. It's just that we forget to put the effort into making it appealing. Healthy food does not have to be gross and bland and tasteless. So as soon as you come home from groceries and you did your one trip into the house, start your meal prep. Make sure your food is appealing. It's going to save you time, and it's going to prevent you from making bad decisions in your weakest moments. So I hope you enjoyed this video. These tips are really near and dear to my heart, and I wish someone told me these things before I started my journey. If you liked what you heard, leave a comment, like the video, click subscribe, and turn on that notification button so you don't miss another video. My name is Coach Maddie again, and I have been on my own weight loss journey of losing over 70 pounds, and now every day I get to help women all over the world along their weight loss journey. And if you need help with yours, if you're curious about learning more about the Fit Queen way of weight loss, click the link down below in the description. It's going to take you to a customized program with all the tips and tricks that I have used and share with my Fit Queens, and I hope you enjoy it. So click that link, and I will see you next time.